Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of these two stamping plates from BeautyBigBang. Thanks Maggie for sending me these to review. You can use my code Nashi for a 10% off on BeautyBigBang website. Stamping plates come in this kind of envelope with really pretty designs on. The back of the stamping plates have just a label with the name of the online store, BeautyBigBang, and the envelopes have instructions on how to use the stamping plates. They come with this blue film to protect the plate. You have to remove it before using it. Here you can see the images of the stamping plates. We'll stamp the images on this piece of white paper. I'm using Kiko nail polishes and a jelly stamper and scraper from BeautyBigBang. Hope you liked this review. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share this video, and I see you in my next video.